So we have to download the Gradle file for our compilation of our Android when it comes from the production of APK. So what we're going to do is to search this file, Gradle 6.4 or something, okay, and then you go to the first web page, which is the gradle.org. Just click this one here, and then when you go to the website, you can see there are plenty of files, but all you have to do is to click in the search of your browser, find on page, depending on the browser you have, but this one is Microsoft Edge, so you try to find the equivalent and find this 6.4, okay, and then you can see it was already searched, but this one is 6.4.1. Try to search this one, 6.4, okay, and then click this complete, and it will download. So down below there is the message. All you have to do is to click the save, but when you click save, don't click save. Click this arrow pointing upwards, and then click save as. Okay, click save as, and then point it to the desktop. Make sure it is in the desktop, and then click save. Okay, so just click save, and then okay, let's see again. Okay, now it's saving, so let's wait for it to be downloaded. It takes time, and you can see it is 139. Okay, so okay, just wait. But now you can see it is already downloaded, so it's okay, it's finished. So the result is here, over here. So all you have to do is to extract it outside on our desktop. So right click, extract all, and then make sure it is in the desktop and then the folder there. Okay, so you can remove this dash all. You can just leave it like that, Gradle 6.4 something. Okay, and then okay, extract. Oh no, okay, so let's create a folder 6.4 extracted. Okay, extract. Okay, so let's wait. So it's reading. Okay, so I'm going to post the video at the moment. Okay, so here is the result of the extraction, and there goes the folder. But I think it's much better if we just drag this thing in the desktop instead of containing inside the extracted folder, which creates confusion. You just drag it in the desktop and then release the mouse button. Okay, here you go, it's there, and this one we delete. Okay, so it's deleted, and there goes the folder. So you can place it anywhere in the desktop. And by the way, in the next instructions, we will add additional 3 files, another Gradle, and the 2 tools that will be used by our Android.